Namaste बच्चों. Hope you are all doing good. Today we are going to see the lesson part 8. Lesson 8. कुछ पन्ने डायरी के. कुछ माने some. पन्ने माने pages. डायरी के. We are going to see some pages from a diary written by a boy named Aman. Children, we are going to learn about many good things in this lesson. Okay, so why to write diary? How to write diary? Okay, if we write diary, what is the use? Then the other things, what is a family? Importance of a family. Then one more important thing is about wildlife sanctuary. See, some endangered species were protected in wildlife sanctuaries. That also we are going to see in this lesson. Okay, Periyar Rashtriya Udyan, Periyar National Park. Okay, so we are going to learn about all those things. Children, can you see Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and his daughter Srimati Indira Gandhi in this picture? So in the right hand side, what he has written in the diary given as an image. So what I am coming to say is, all those successful persons, great peoples are having the habit of writing diary. Okay, so they keep their memories in paper. What is diary writing? A diary entry is a section of writing that has been organized by date. You have to write a date and write. The entries within your diary are how you organize the thoughts, feelings and opinions you are pouring into it. They break up your diary into smaller pieces. Think of them like chapters of a book. They can be as short as long you want. Okay, children? So it improves your vocabulary. It improves your writing skill. So it enhances your knowledge. So children, have a habit of writing a diary at least few lines every day. Okay. Now children, wildlife sanctuary. Vanyajeev Abhyaranya. What is wildlife sanctuary? The wildlife sanctuaries are established to protect the endangered species. Those animals are in dangerous condition, dangerous position. It is quite difficult to always relocate the animals from their natural habitat. Therefore, protecting them in their natural environment is advantageous. That means moving all the animals from one place to other place is really a difficult one. Okay, so protecting them in their own same place, that is habitat. Okay, that will be good for those animals. The endangered species are specially monitored in the wildlife sanctuaries. So they are all taken utmost care by the wildlife sanctuaries officers. Now I told one more thing, one important thing is family. Family is important because it provides love, support and a framework of values to each of its members. Family members teach each other, serve one another and share life's joys and sorrows. Okay, children? So family is important thing than any other thing. Now children, shall we go into the lesson? So keep a finger in the reader and I am going to read the lesson and I will explain you. 1st June 2016, Budwar. Budwar means Wednesday. Raat night. 10:30, 10:30 बजे. स्थान दिल्ली. The place he is writing the diary is in Delhi. आज मेरा जन्मदिन था. आज का दिन मेरे लिए बेहद खुशी का दिन था. That boy Aman, he is telling that it was his birthday and he was very happy on this occasion of his birthday. आज का दिन मैंने पूरे परिवार माने फैमिली, दादा दादी, ग्रैंडफादर ग्रैंडमदर, चाचा चाची, बुआ मौसी, aunt uncle, chacha chachi, it's uncle auntie, nana nani, grandfather grandmother, मामा मामी अंकल आंटी और अपने सभी छोटे बड़े मीन्स यंग एंड एल्डर भाई बहनों ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स के साथ विद देम खुशी से बिताया. So he celebrated his birthday with all these family members. That's why children I told that relatives are very important, families are very important. Okay children. सभी ने मुझे मनपसंद उपहार दिया. So everyone gave some gifts which he likes at most. Okay. लेकिन जो उपहार दादाजी ने मुझे दिया, but the one gift which his grandfather has given, ये सबसे बढ़िया और खूबसूरत था. Which is the one I like the most. That is the beautiful one. He is telling. यह था पेरियार राष्ट्रीय उद्यान, पेरियार नेशनल पार्क. घूमने के लिए, घूमना माने टू रोम. ओके, घूमने के लिए बुक कराया गया हवाई जहाज का टिकट. इट इज ए फ्लाइट टिकट. ओके, टू रीच केरला एंड टू रोम पेरियार नेशनल पार्क. मैं खुशी से झूम उठा. आई वॉज हैप्पी बाय सीइंग दैट फ्लाइट टिकट. द बॉय इज राइटिंग इन द डायरी एज लाइक दिस. 5 नवंबर 2016 रविवार माने संडे रात नाइट 10 बजे स्थान कोच्चि. द प्लेस नाउ ही इज इन कोच्चि के होटल का एक कमरा. सो दैट इज ए कंटिन्यू. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू से दैट हाउ वी रीच्ड कोच्चि एंड हाउ वाज द एक्सपीरियंस ही हैड इन द फ्लाइट जर्नी. मैं सुबह से ही बात खुशी था. ओके, फ्रॉम द मॉर्निंग इटसेल्फ आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. सारी तैयारियां जल्दी समाप्त करके हम सभी शाम 4 बजे इंदिरा गांधी अंतरराज्यीय हवाई अड्डे पहुंच गए. So all the arrangements I made it very quickly and fastly, and then we reached around 4 o'clock to Indira Gandhi Interstate Airport. वहाँ पर जांच के लिए लंबी कतारें भी. लगभग 1 घंटे के बाद हम हवाई जहाज में बैठे. So there was a long queue. People were standing in a long queue to check their ticket. लगभग nearly 1 घंटे 1 hour, after 1 hour we were sat in the flight. हवाई जहाज में बैठने का मेरा पहला अवसर था. Okay, and that boy is explaining that is his first opportunity to sit in the flight. शाम 5:30 बजे, 5:30 माने 5:30 हवाई जहाज ने उड़ान भरी. रात 8 बजे हम लोग कोच्चि हवाई अड्डे पर पहुंच गए. So the flight has started flying and then they reached around 8 o'clock in कोच्चि एयरपोर्ट. वहां से टैक्सी लेकर हम सभी होटल पहुंचे. सो ऑलरेडी दे बुक्ड द होटल. सो दे रीच द होटल बाय द टैक्सी. 5 नवंबर 2016 सोमवार माने मंडे रात 10 बजे स्थान कोच्चि के होटल का कमरा. सो नाउ दे आर स्टेइंग इन कोच्चि. आज सुबह मैं सबसे पहले जग गया. So from early morning itself Aman has woke up. सबको जगाया. सभी मेरे उत्सुकता देखकर हंसने लगे. I made everyone to woke up and all of us seeing me they have started laughing. That I was very enthusiastically I was doing everything. So everyone laughed at me. फिर हम सभी तैयार होकर then we all got ready. गाइड के साथ with the guide निकल पड़े. have started पेरियार राष्ट्रीय उद्यान की सैर पर to go a raid to the पेरियार नेशनल पार्क. बातें करते करते while we are talking हम उद्यान के बीच बनी झील पास पहुंच गए. So talking itself we reached a lake that was in the middle of the sanctuary. That is in the middle of that wild sanctuary. वहाँ हाथी जल क्रीड़ा कर रहे थे. There few elephants were playing in the water. तभी वहाँ एक बाघ पानी पीने आ गया. At the time a tiger came to drink water. बाघ को देखकर सभी हाथी एकजुट होकर खड़े हो गए. Seeing the tiger, all the elephants standing united. Okay. बाघ पानी पीकर चुपचाप वहां से चला गया. The tiger didn't disturb or didn't do any harm to any animals. It was quietly returning back. हम सभी बेहद रोमांचित थे. रोमांचित माने thrilled. Okay children? So we were thrilled by seeing this scene. मेरा बाघ को निकट से देखने का एक पहला अवसर था. This was the first chance to see the tiger very closely standing with me. गाइड ने वन्य जीवों को अच्छी तरह से देखने के लिए हमें बोटिंग की सलाह दी. So the guide has advised us to go for a boating to see some more animals, those who are in and around the lake. हम सभी बोट पर सवार हो गए. So we have taken a boat to go for a ride. बोटिंग के बाद मैंने बोट चलाते हुए चित्र भी खिंचवाए. So while going for boating, I have taken a selfie like as if I was riding a boat. हमने अनेक प्रकार के जीव जंतु जैसे we have seen many kinds of animals like सांबर, hiran. You can see the picture here, children. When I say the name of the animal, you can see here. They both are two kinds of deers, सांबर, hiran. जंगली कुत्ते, वाइल्ड डॉग. शेर जैसी पूंछ वाले दुर्लभ वानर. वानर माने मंकी. ओके. इट फेस लुक्स लाइक ए लायन. They are very rare species. नीलगिरी लंगूर. It is also a kind of a langur. दुर्लभ प्रजाति के सांप, python, cobra. All those are the kinds of the snakes. These are things over there in the Periyar National Park. नया पक्षियों में darters. This left hand side is darters. Right hand side is kingfisher. Kingfisher. Hornbill. That is a kind of a bird. You can see in the left hand side. लंबे पूंछ वाले drongos. You can see this bird in the right hand side. So all these birds we can see in the Periyar National Park. Okay children. इन सबसे भी अधिक लुभावना वहां था स्वच्छ और गर्मी रहित वातावरण था. Out of all those things, I was attracted towards the clean environment that was over there and without the heat. Okay, there was a very chill temperature. It was very cold. All those things were attracted me to stay over there. वहाँ से वापस जाने का मन ही नहीं कर रहा था. So वापस माने return. So Aman doesn't like to return from coming over there. लेकिन शाम हो गई थी. But that was a evening time. इसलिए वापस आना पड़ा. So we must have to return from the place. होटल पहुंचते ही, okay, as soon as they reached the hotel, मम्मी पापा, मम्मी एंड डैडी दिल्ली लौटना माने टू रिटर्न की तैयारी माने अरेंजमेंट्स में लग गए. सो माय पेरेंट्स हैव स्टार्टेड पैकिंग टू रिटर्न बैक टू दिल्ली एंड आई हैव स्टार्टेड राइटिंग माय एक्सपीरियंसेस. अनुभव माने एक्सपीरियंसेस को डायरी के पन्नों माने पेपर्स. ओके चिल्ड्रन. सो पन्नों में समेटने लगा. So I have started writing my experience in the diary by Aman Bhargav. That is the name of that boy who is writing this diary. He has shared his experiences, what he had in the Periyar Rashtriya Udyan, mane Periyar National Park. Children, try to visit that Periyar National Park. Okay children. The best season to visit Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary is from the months of October and June. Okay children, try to visit the Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary. Here I have given some more information to how to reach Kochi. Okay, through air, rail and road. You can read and ask your mummy papa to take over there after this corona and when we have holidays, so that you can see all those animals which you have seen in these pictures. Children, hope you understand this lesson very well. Kindly subscribe to our channel and keep watching our upcoming videos. Thanks for all your likes and support. Dhanyavad.